you are doing. Shut up! Give the men chance to do your work. Don't disturb us. Your noise is too much. Don't try to.
It's okay.
Because you close your eyes and die. You close your eyes and your son and your daughter has died.
Which is okay. It is just okay. Hold yourself together.
Do
you remember your two children? You know they're looking after you. What do you want them to do if they find you in this condition?
But I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything now. I just told you that my husband has
I heard!
Yes. They just brought him back. Oh, please now, please. Let me go! Let me go! Wake up!
It's okay. It's okay. Uncle, come on.
Hey! One time! Get up! Get up! Hey! Come on, bring down the cup.
Lucy, where are your children?
They're already sleeping inside.
It's good. It's okay. No, it's okay. The tears, it's okay. You know, try and wipe your tears. Stop. We all have cried enough. If we can bring it back, our tears would have come. So wipe your tears. You know, remember there is God, and it is not the end of the world. You don't go on them. Aren't you? It's okay. It's okay. Please. Stop crying. It's not easy. I know. It's not easy. God will strengthen you. I know. You know, go. I will still be going. My husband is waiting for me at the gate. But I will come to see you first thing in the morning. To spend some time with you. Oh, no. I won't leave you. I will be coming. So wipe your tears and be strong. We are meeting. I'll come first thing in the morning. Oh no.
Sit down here. Sit down here. Now listen to me. The burial is over. I don't want to see you to have anything to do with that witch again. Stay away from that witch. Is that clear?
But Nai, the person we're talking about here is your late brother's wife.
I know. I know.
Nai, that girl is still very young. The fact that she already had 2 children does not deny the truth that she is still a young girl. This is the time she needs us. This is the time she needs our comfort more than anything. So we can't just leave her with the 2 children like that. It's rather inhuman.
See, you are calling her a small girl because you don't know what she's capable of doing. And I'm here telling you that she is a witch. She can destroy. She can cause havoc. Stay away from her.
Hey, Nai.
Stay away. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me?
I'm not going to have heard.
Huh? Be careful. Otherwise, you know what I can do. I don't have what? I don't have court. Eh?
I can't cut to have heard.
You don't wait. Anyway.
My baby, my baby, my baby. I go and check if your brother is awake. You hear? Go. Go and check who is crying. Go and check who is crying. Go. Go and check. You hear? Good morning, sir.
What is good about this money? No, tell me one thing good about this money. Here.
Former, please. I beg you in the name of God. It is still too early for people to start hearing our voices this morning, no, Biko.
You've accomplished your assignment in this family. Is it not so? No, you've achieved your aim. But I will tell you that the former is not an easy nut to crack. By the time we are through, you will see the difference between Anunchi and Anunketa. I bet you.
I don't even have your time. I don't have your time.
I've come to collect the keys of the houses of my brother in Abuja.
It's again.
The key of my brother's house in Abuja.
Why?
Don't ask me such a stupid question.
Why will I not ask you? Why will I not ask you, a former? Why? No, I want to ask you now so that I will know. Let me know why I should give you the keys to my husband's house.
My brother?
Inawiala, do you hear me? Asege! What is your problem?
You have problem, not me.
Ilegi felegi.
You have problem.
Look at you.
Not me.
When my husband died, your brother, the first thing you did was to go to his house with drivers. And you drove his cars down to the village. I did not say anything, no. The next thing, you started asking for his the documents to his properties. Now, you want me to give you the key to his house in Abuja. Are you mad? Where do you want me to keep my children? Where do you want me to keep them?
What is wrong with this place you are staying? What is wrong with it? Is anybody chasing you?
Chill. Are you saying I should relocate to the village because my husband died?
That's what I said.
Over my dead body. It will not happen.
If you say over your dead body, then be ready to die. Be ready to die.
You will die before me.
Hey,
you will die before me. I will come for your burial.
Hey.
Look at you. You're not ashamed of yourself. Kids.
You didn't know what? Oh yeah.
What kind of shameless man is this? How can you be treating your brother's wife and his kids like this?
Let me see who will enter this house again. Nobody must pass through this gate again.
What are you saying? Don't you have the keys anymore? Isi? Padlock and guinea? Chain? Jesus Christ. Break it. Do you hear me? Break it. Find something there and break it. My friend says don't break it on our Agwam rubbish. Don't pick something there and break it. Even if it means breaking that gate, break it down. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. What kind of rubbish is this now? Ofoma is looking for my trouble. Ofoma na chomoku. Ofoma na chomoku is looking for my trouble. What did I do to him? I'm above free.
Mr. Man, what are you doing there?
My madam say, make I break this key, open the gate.
Your madam say you should break this gate. Didn't she give you the keys?
See you, I no talk say, I go take break this gate. Now the key say make I break. See, the other key way there. I have opened it now, but this one, I don't have the key. So she say make I break am, open the gate.
This man a thief.
Chineke me, Onye Orieba. I am the chief security officer here now.
Shut up here.
How can someone ask you to break his gate without giving you the keys?
You see, wait, make I tell you. Wait now, wait, make I tell you. You see, now.
Mr. Man, you are a thief. You must follow us to the station. Come on, move!
Fast!
Wait, shut up. Follow us to the station.
Tell you. Don't beat me now. I cannot be thief.
Ofoma! Where are you? Ofoma! Kebono! Ofoma! Who locked that gate?
I did.
Why?
From henceforth, nobody passes that gate without my permission.
As what? Is the house yours?
You think I don't know that you killed my brother to acquire his properties, but your plans have failed?
How am I sure you're not behind my husband's death? Because since he died, you have just been running around his properties. Now let me tell you something. If that is your own plan, you have failed woefully. You have failed.
I tell you, I run around his properties because I am his closest next of kin. Yes, all the properties you are talking about are mine now.
Ofoma, my husband has a son and he has a daughter. They are his next of kin, not you.
Oh, son and daughter. The son and daughter you mentioned are products of your harlotry. Yes. Each time my brother traveled to China for business, you will jump from one man to the other. Mbampo, Mbeke, Okoro, Ikechukwu, Okafo. I know all these.
Me? Sleeping around?
Welcome.
Why am I even listening to you? Ibu Uzuasan. Uzuasan around, that is what you are.
Ekusigo. Eh? Let's just wait for this mourning period to end. At the end, I'm going to show you a mirror containing your past, your present, and your future.
Woo! Ofoma! Woo! You see that mirror? You will use it to look at your face. And when you look inside the mirror, you will see your own past, present, and future. You will not do anything to me, Ofoma. All your evil plans will not work. You are just a wicked man, a wicked beast. That is what you are. It will not work for you.
I am not a witch like you. Eh? Ralochi, Chelukano Siampe. At the end of the mbe, I am going to beat a special drum and I must force you to dance the drum.
You think I'm like all those videos? I will deal with you. I will show you that I am special. I will deal with you.
We'll deal with our former. No.
In those properties, if you see film, not that it is in your dream.
Do you realize your name? Raluchi. Big Ralum. Ralo former. Almost your fault. You have a property. Or just there or form. You know? Aqua. Denu aqua. Dinenu aqua.
Ichie, honestly, I don't know what I did to Ofoma. Somebody should help me and ask Ofoma what I did to him. Because I don't know what I did to him.
What exactly did he do?
Ichie, ever since my husband died, Ofoma has refused to let me be. He has refused to let me have peace. Otakona chew him up and down. What did I do? Do you know that when my husband died, when I was busy trying to convey his corpse to the mortuary, Ofoma was busy ransacking my whole house.
What exactly was he looking for?
What else? What else if not the property documents? What else? By the time I came back from the mortuary, my 2 jeeps, the 2 jeeps my husband left, gone. They were gone. And then when I asked, they said Ofoma came to the house with drivers and they drove the jeeps to his house. As I'm talking to you now, the 2 jeeps are parked in his house. Now he's asking me to give him the key to our residential house in Abuja. How can I do that? Where does he want me to stay? When I refused, he traveled all the way to Abuja to go and padlock it. And when I asked him why he did it, he said nobody will enter the house without his consent. As who? Is this his house? Does he want me to, me and my children to be sleeping outside?
Baruchi, it is okay. Stop crying. You see, it is too early to start settling dispute between you and a former. At least, let us give some respect to the soul of your late husband. Maybe after the period of your mourning, we shall revisit the issue. Ingo?
It's easy for you to say because you don't know what I am going through. Do you know that my security man was almost detained? He was almost detained. I almost arrested him because I asked him to go there and cut the keys. They nearly arrested him if not for my timely intervention. Why would they treat him like that? Is he not supposed to be there?
Since you are not leaving the village now, he can go back to his village. And when you travel back to the city, you shall then call him.
Okay, now if you say so, Manabiko, I am begging you. You people should beg Ofoma for me. In fact, warn him for me. Warn Ofoma for me. He is beginning to take too much. Warn him for me. Tell him to leave me and my family alone. But when he find me, I wouldn't do anything to him.
I will talk to him.
So
stop crying.
So that witch, that devil's incarnate, that Jezebel went about complaining against me to the whole village. That's what you did?
Former, why are you calling your brother's wife names? A woman who is bereft.
Honestly, if I tell you the havoc that woman has done in her family, to the extent we have no peace again, you'll just block your ears.
Now tell me, what did she do?
Okay. Have you ever asked yourself, why my late brother, a vibrant, healthy, young businessman, just collapsed and died like that? No sign of any illness. Just died like that.
Wait a minute. Are you in any way implying that she has a...
What I want to tell you is this. let us wait for the end of the mourning period. Then I'll open up. I will tell you all my brother confided in me. I'll open up. People will hear what happened.
If what I am thinking is actually what you are implying, then this case is not an ordinary.
It is not ordinary. Honestly, let's just wait until the end of this mourning period. I'll bomb.
Okay.
I'll bomb your ears.
I assure you, if what you are saying is the truth, I am with you to the end.
I can't wait for so long.
What was the meaning of those you were telling Anozi?
Meaning of what?
Oh, that you were busy telling him about Raluchi.
Did you hear your name in that discussion?
No, I did not hear my name.
Go in now. Go in now!
Nine, why are you castigating this innocent girl? Eh? What has she done to you?
Who told you she's innocent? Or are you now God, the Supreme Judge?
The way you are talking, you are even saying as if Raluchi was the one that killed her husband.
If you claim she wasn't the one who killed, was it you who killed? No, was it you who killed my brother Cosmos?
I did not kill Cosmos. And everybody knows that Cosmos died a natural death. And stop this your shouting because walls have ears.
Listen, I am not hiding what I'm saying. I am saying it to the hearing of everybody in this village. Yeah? What I'm waiting is just the right time. She must come and tell us what happened to my brother.
Raluchi! What? Why are you shouting this early morning? Good morning.
Hey, good morning, my sister. Raluchi, Ofoma has finished you.
Because I can't go for. Leave that idiot. Because.
Eh? This one is not a matter of leave that idiot. Your name is on every lips in this village.
What did I do?
The latest gossip now is that you are the one who killed your husband, Cosmos.
Chimo!
I went to Afawuzo market the other day. Yesterday, to buy some foodstuffs. And the market women were all gathered in a hot gossip. Guess who was the topic of that discussion?
Me?
My sister. They said Ofoma is busy telling everyone who cares to listen that you are the one who killed your husband. And that's notwithstanding. The village people of Fumbweke have all believed his story and they are only waiting for the mourning days to be over so that they will summon you.
Summon me?
I tried to convince as many that will lend me their listening ears that you are innocent of all this, but my sermon only succeeded in falling on deaf ears.
Hey! Hey! Chimekenna! That man said that thing to my face. Eh? He said it to my face. I thought it was his normal blabbing and ranting. I never knew he was serious.
Hey, Raluchi, as I am talking with you now, your name is everywhere. Nobody will come to tell you. They will all be prognosing at your back. I am the only person that will come to tell you because I'm the only one who knows that all these are not true.
Chai! What did I do to Ofoma? What will Ofoma say that I, Ralu, did to him? Why has he turned himself into my daylight terror? Why? What did I do to him? What did my children do to him?
Me, I didn't come to remind you of your sorrows now. I only came to inform you so that you will know what is happening and you'll be duly ready for anything that will come up on your way. Please now, don't cry now because...
Cry? Nebe, I will not cry.
Good.
I will not cry again for him. In fact, I will not even wait for that thing to come to me. I will take the bull by the horn. I am going to meet that thing. What did I do to him?
How are you now? Fine, dear.
Give him this money.
Ofoma!
Call that name with respect. I am an elder. Even elder to your husband.
Chineke!
Yes.
You are even more shameless than I thought. Look at you, elder. What kind of elder are you? An elder who does nothing, no work, except to go around the whole village gossiping like a woman. An elder who is only happy when an innocent woman is crying out of pain and sorrow. What kind of elder are you?
Raluchi, why are you trying to run faster than your shadow? Why are you in a hurry? Why don't you wait until they...
I am not waiting, Ofoma. You see, here I am. Here and now. You will tell the whole world how I killed my husband. So you will tell them how I killed him.
Is it? Did you see it? Your conscience is flogging you. Flogging you! But it's too late.
Raluchi, Biko, Apuba, let's go inside. Rapokwa. I can see that shouting and quarreling have become the order of this family. Rapokwa, Biko, let's go inside.
No, he is the cause, oh. He is the cause. Why has he decided to make my life miserable? Why is he going around the whole village talking about me? He's talking about me. What have I done to you?
Because you are evil. You are a greater evil. That's what I'm trying to expose. Yeah.
Your husband is insulting me and calling me names in your presence.
Nine. You are a man, oh. What cable? You are a man and not a woman.
And so what?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Ashamed of what? Let me tell you, any wise man in my position must fight to expose evil people like her, murderers like her, so she doesn't go to kill any other person like she killed my brother. That's the truth. That's the truth. Be a murderer.
That is what you are.
I'm coming online.
Ofoma must prove to me how I killed Cosmas. He will tell me and the entire village how I killed my husband. So he will tell everybody how I killed him and what I killed him with.
Stop shouting. You see, sometimes the guilty tends to shout as to justify their evil. But every wise man will look beyond the shouting and look deep into the matter.
Uncle Onosi, what do you mean by that?
I will not pretend that I don't know what I have said. I actually said it so that you can hear, and I know you heard me.
Jesus Christ.
Don't call him yet. You see, if a child is persistently pointing at a direction, if his mother is not there, definitely his father must be there.
Chalo. Uncle Onosi, are you trying to tell me that you already believe that I killed my...
Young lady, just go home for now and let the sleepy dog lie.
Good afternoon.
Chi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Is your father at home?
No, he went out.
Hey. Okay. Okay? If he comes back, tell him that I came to look for him. But I will still come back at night because there is something important I want to discuss with him. You know? Who was that?
Is that auntie that said that she killed her husband?
And what did she want?
She said that she wants to see daddy, but I told her that daddy is not around.
Okay. bind this dream in the name of Jesus. I bind in the name of Jesus. I don't know what it means, but I bind it. I bind it and I bind it in the name of Jesus. Cover myself with the Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Blood of Jesus.
What is the problem, honey? What's the problem?
I had a very strange dream. Very strange.
About what?
I was in church, wedding your brother Ofoma, Uncle Ofoma.
Ofoma?
You're laughing. You think I'm joking?
No, honey. It's not like that. Ofoma. It's okay, listen. You are my lovely wife. And you can't get married to any other person, okay? So lie down. Just go back to sleep. Sleep.
I'm not sleeping again. I'll stay awake.
You want to attend the wedding, bro?
I don't know why you're finding this thing. Honestly, I'm not finding it.
You need off, honey.
Hey. Now I understand. Now I understand. Oh, now I understand. I understand. Hey! Chineke mo, Chineke. This is too much for just one person. No. It is too much for one person. Oh, Chimo.
I had wanted us to give some measure of respect, at least for a month, for the soul of my departed brother, at least for 1 month, before coming to this kind of issue. But this witch here, Raluchi, decided to run faster than her legs. Therefore, let us call a spade a spade. Raluchi killed my brother. I can show this anywhere, anytime, in whatever situation.
Raluchi, I'm sure my ears are not bigger than yours. What do you have to say?
My husbands, I greet you all. I don't know why anybody in his right senses would think that I killed my husband. Why would I kill my husband? Why will I kill him? What do I stand to gain from killing him?
Raluchi, our wife, are you saying that Ofoma here is accusing you falsely?
Jubia!
Yes. Yes, he is. And I don't know what came over him since my husband died.
What came over me was courage. The courage to fight evil. To fight witches and wizards like you. Yes. You created, you concocted a web of evil that formed a bondage over me and members of my family. But I got delivered and picked courage to fight you.
Ofoma, how did you get to this conclusion? Who told you? Or are you just guessing?
Thank you for that question. Thank you very much. Omuna, my brother collapsed in his office. Collapsed in his office. No symptoms, no sign, and was rushed to a hospital in Abuja. Because of his delicate situation, he said, "Brother, come on! I'm there, you know. Danger there!" I left everything I was doing and rushed to the hospital in Abuja.
Hey! Ofoma,
What is it?
Ofoma, what did you say?
Eh?
When did my husband call you Ofoma? When did he talk to you? Was I not the one who called you? Was I not the one who called you to tell you that your brother was down? Even before you came to... In fact, was that not why you came to Abuja?
Raluchi, please wait. Ofoma, continue with your story.
At the end of what he was telling me, he said, Raluchi, his trusted wife, poisoned him. and told me that in the event of his death, I must not allow this woman come anywhere, his property, whether pino, whether panto, whether trouser, whether brow, whether mbako, whether mbotaba. Whether mbotaba. Thank you very much.
Hi! Cosmas! Cosmas, what are you still doing there, Cosmas? Cosmas, what are you still doing there? Cosmas, won't you say something? Cosmas, come and say something. Cosmas, come and say something. Oh! Hey, Ofoma!
Ofoma, we have heard you. We shall meet here a day after tomorrow, after we the elders have met, to know the next line of action.
Hey! Please, I beg of you that whatever you want to do with utmost urgency. Because I'm not going to rest on my horse to fight this woman. Every weapon at my disposal will be unleashed to deal with her, to stop her from sucking more blood.
Mama, this is not fair.
Please.
Allow us. How can she kill my brother and still want to go over the property?
Hey.
That shall never end. How can a woman be so materialistic to the extent that she killed her husband just because she wants to acquire his property? My brother, this is what is in vogue now. These women are called Abuja women. Abuja women. They are strong enough to take whatever belongs to their husband. Huh? They don't want to be under anyone. Just to be commanding power and weight. This is an abomination. And any woman who is found guilty of it must be killed. Aro. Nkaba aro kwa nwa. Hey! Anam. Ngwan. Hey! Okay.
This kind of story is too strange. How can a young girl of that age ever think of killing her husband? It is an abomination. Why is everybody running so fast with conclusion? Are you saying that Ofoma could be lying? Is he above lies? Tell me, is he? No, but in such case...
On the day of reckoning, everything hidden shall be brought to light. That is all I can say for now.
Hey.
Oh,
hope you like the food.
It wasn't bad. Your food wasn't bad.
Because tell me the truth. Did Cosmos tell you anything before he died?
That's what I was telling you. He told me everything. How Walachi was unfaithful, jumping from one man to the other, keeping bad companies, into witchcraft. That Walachi hated him so much that she poisoned his food.
Hey, Nani, I don't see Raluchi as someone as capable of hurting a fly.
That's the confusion you've been having. I want you to clear your eyes. Go beyond that confusion. This woman is evil. She's a murderer. She can destroy. She can cause havoc. Clear your eyes. My brother was unlucky.
I don't understand this at all. It's so confusing to me. Everything.
I want you to end up with that confusion. Let your eyes be clear.
Ofoma, with all you told us about Raluchi, are you ready to affirm them by swearing with the Echeteka deity?
Right away. Kita. Now, I am willing. I am ready. Let's go.
Chineke, Ofoma, you will swear even when you know you're lying.
Raluchi, you claim you don't know what he's talking about and that you don't have hand in your husband's death.
I don't know.
Are you ready to swear with our deity?
My husband's. You all know I'm a devoted Christian.
Yeah.
I can't swear by any deity. It's against my faith.
Woman, this issue is a delicate one. If really you know that you are innocent, there's no other way to prove it than joining us to the Echieteka shrine.
Yes.
Otherwise, we all will believe that the accusation is true.
Put Christianity apart. Raluchi was to swear to prove that she is innocent.
Wait. You people should know that times are changing. Christianity has taken over everything.
Shut up if you don't have any meaningful contribution to this matter. Shut up! Raluchi, you must swear to prove your innocence. Christianity or no Christianity.
I'm sorry, but I will not please men and displease God. Let God vindicate me in this matter. That is my stand. I will not swear.
Hold on!
Raluchi,
She wants to run.
are you insisting that you will not swear?
I will not swear. It is against my faith.
Do we now believe that you killed Cosmos?
God forbid! Feature Nubiko, I did not kill my husband. How many times do you want me to say it?
You have to swear.
You must swear.
Must swear.
There is
Must.
no other way to prove it.
You have to swear.
You must swear. You must swear. What is it you wanted to tell me?
Or former. He who fetches ant-infested firewood invites the lizard to his house.
Sorry, how does what you have just said concern me?
Well, I have not come to know who is lying or who is saying the truth. All I want to say is that whosoever has this monkey's hand in soup pot should remove it before it turns into a human hand.
Maybe it was your hand you found in the pot of soup. So why not remove it? Why not remove it?
Mua Nkume. Hi! What a wicked man! Raruchi, your chi will save you.
You have to go and swear. Forget about Christianity in this matter. You have to.
Okay.
Yes. Since this is the only way you can prove that you are innocent. Otherwise, these people will make sure they frustrate you out of your husband's place.
But wait, what is baffling me is how bold Ofoma was to declare that he will swear. What gave him the courage? I don't understand. What gave him that courage?
Me, I don't know. I don't know at all.
Hi. Mana, my sister, apart from the fact that I'm a Christian, personally, I've always been very scared of all these deities and shrines. Honestly, they scare me to death.
Hey, please don't ever say this again. Don't let another ear hear of this. You are only implicating yourself.
So you're encouraging me to swear?
Yes.
You think it's the right thing for me to do?
Yes. Unless your hand is not clean. Then I can say you should run as far as you can.
How? How can you even think of a thing like that? How can you think of a thing like that? Me, kill my husband. Why would I even think of that? Do you think I like the way I am? Do you think I like what is happening to me?
Just go so that everybody will listen. Just go.
Hi!
Let me tell you. The truth is always straightforward. She wants to use Christianity to deceive us, to evade taking the oath. She's a murderer.
You see, some women are very, very deadly.
But you tried, Ofoma. If I were you, since my brother confided in me before his death, I wouldn't have allowed her anywhere around my compound, even during the burial.
No. Let's not talk about death now. You know why? one has to be diplomatic. Now, since my brother confided in me that she has many documents concerning the property, I have to tread cautiously until I get all the documents in her possession. Then I can strike.
Since she has refused to swear, we will treat her according to our tradition. After we must have stripped her of everything ever owned by our brother.
But, Onazia, you know she has a son and a daughter for Cosmos. What becomes of them?
You see that son? Even the daughter? My brother told me he never fathered any of them. That his wife was sleeping around, going from one man to the other.
What?
Hey! You've not heard anything. That's a bastard. I call that boy a bastard.
Good morning, my husbands. To what do I owe this unannounced visit?
This is our brother's house. And we have every right to come into it anytime, any day.
Nobody is disputing that.
You see, we have come to collect our late brother's belongings, which are in your possession.
What belongings are you talking about?
The documents to his landed properties. Ofoma, you know them very well.
His residential building in Abuja, that's number 1. Petrol station in Nyanya. Shopping mall in Gwagwalada. And then 12 plots of land in Suleja. Is that all? There are the vehicle particulars of the 2 jeeps. Yes. Then we are still carrying out more investigation. We will know in due course other things in her possession.
Raluchi, you have heard him. Now, where are those documents?
And why will I hand documents over to you?
Because they belong to our late brother, not you. We have come to collect our late brother's properties.
Ezioku. Come, is somebody forgetting something here? I am his wife, and he has a son and a daughter. A son and a daughter.
Which wife? Which son? Which daughter? Eh? Are you talking about the children you got through jumping from one man to the other? Or the husband you poisoned, lavished his life?
Ofoma, I know this is your handwork. Ofoma, you planned this all. You think I don't know? You are forging all these stories and spreading them because you want my husband's properties. But let me tell you something. You see those properties? You will not smell them. Ofoma, I am not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you at all. So you see that fight that you want? Bring it. I am ready for you.
Yeah, miserable woman. Will you shut up your dirty mouth? Huh? Don't you have atom of respect? Can't you respect the elders of this land?
Ezioku.
Do you think that this is where you come to display ugly characters like some Abuja women?
Now, woman, we are giving you 7 days from now to provide those documents. I'm sure you have not forgotten that you still owe us an explanation on how our brothers Cosmos died.
Odiegu, it is a lie. I don't owe you people anything. I have told you that I did not kill my husband. If you like, believe. If you like, don't believe. That one is your business. Do you get
swear.
I'm not swearing.
You will
swear.
swear.
When your wife died, did you swear?
You will swear.
Hello there.
Hello, barrister. Good day.
Good day, and how are you?
Honestly, I'm not doing too fine.
How about your children?
They are fine.
So what is the problem?
My husband's brothers are after me. They say they want the properties. That it belongs to them. So I should hand the documents over to them.
What?
All this and now your sins.
What sort of intimidation is this? Where on earth is it done? And why are they trying to frustrate you?
I don't know. I don't know. They are not trying to frustrate me. They are not trying. They have frustrated me. They say if I claim that I'm innocent, I should follow them to the shrine to swear to my innocence, that I don't know anything about my husband's death. But I told them I will not do it because it is against my faith.
Yes, you will not do it. You will not follow them to swear to any deity. In this country, we have a freedom of worship. If you insist, no one will do you anything and they cannot force you to go with them.
Okuya? Okay. What of the properties?
They belong to you and your children. Or do you intend to give it out?
God forbid. Fear. Wow. No.
You know what? I suggest you leave this village as soon as possible. Go back to the city.
But my mourning days are not over yet. Please, let me just stay and mourn my husband. Let me respect my dead husband. And besides, you know me and these people, we have quarreled so much. I don't want to give them any reason to say I did any other thing to them. Biko, let me just stay.
I know. But your safety and that of your children will mean so much to him than a mere insignificant tradition. These men can be up to something.
Also, no problem. I will go to Abuja, but not now.
Hey! Stop there! Stop there!
Good day, sir.
Who are you? Who are you?
My name is Barrister Joe from Oba and Sons Chambers.
What are you doing here? What have you come to do here?
Well, I'm her late husband's lawyer. Well, I came to see her and know how they are faring.
How they are doing what? Faring? Is she sick? Oh, now you're told she's suffering cancer. Tumor. Is she crippled? How they are faring? Hey! Raluchi, you are a disgrace to our community. You've dented the name of the family. The image of the family is gone because of this your act.
What have I done again?
Hey! Raluchi, it's not up to a week that your husband was laid to rest. You were not patient. One year ago, then you invited your boyfriend to come and defile the bed of your late husband. Or what your husband left behind. Are you reasonable?
He is our family lawyer. He just told you and he came to see us.
To see us? Who are the us? Do I know him? Does he know me? Does he know our Umunna? Our kindred?
Mister, watch what you say. I said I'm a lawyer. I can see you. Do you know that?
See this one? Look at you. You came to defile the bed of my late brother. You want to see whatever. You have mouth to talk. If not, they're making. Do you know I can call the use of this community to strip you for whatever? I've a pan to call you to a little. I've even made a waggy. I am a colossal point any mono. But I put that about not your mother now but any mono. Hey! See, go and clean up. You're worried, female. You're worried. Go and clean up.
Don't mind him. Come on, go your way.
You're worried. If I get you here again, Uma can say the party. The cook. The cook would you ballo. The no could you ballo. No could you women cook.
A former.
Eh?
A former. A former. Take your time.
Relative.
Take your time. Do you know that she has the guts to invite another man into her husband's house? Are you serious? A former. Caught them red-handed. Hey. Even other people saw them too. Hey, Raluchi is a complete disgrace to womanhood. Eh? She couldn't even wait for the days of her mourning to be over before she starts sleeping around. Sleeping around, you said? Sleeping around or inviting another man into her late husband's house. Hey, wo! Hey, wo! Hey! That girl deserves to be punished accordingly. Eh? Also see her when hey! Is she the only woman that is addicted to sex? Leave her. Leave her. Eh? It's like she wants us to all leave her or run away from her. That's what she wants. Hey! Let me ask you, was it the way her parents brought her? How?
The reason we summoned you to this meeting is because our ears are already itching, owing to the various things we are hearing about you. As Omada in this village, we cannot just fold our arms and watch you drag womanhood to the mud.
Yes.
Exactly. Ma'am, that's why we've called you, to tell you our minds.
Thank you very much. Thank you. But don't you think you should hear my own side of the story first before concluding?
Abi?
What does she have to say?
Nothing.
What do you have to say?
We've not called you for judgment. We've called you to tell you our decision about your case. You said you did not kill your husband. Yet, you had the courage to bring in a man into your matrimonial home. No. He's just our family lawyer.
And he came to visit my children and I.
Shut up! Mechiegonu! Yes! You can take that to the beds. Are we children? Do we look like children? We are women. I mean,
Family lawyer.
The only way you can free yourself from this accusation is by going to Echeteka's shrine to swear.
That is so.
We all are Christians. Fine. No one is a pagan here. But our Christianity cannot stop us from doing the right thing.
Yes. Yes.
Our culture can never be trampled upon by anyone.
You must swear.
You must swear.
You must swear. Close your mouth. But she must swear, whether she likes it or not.
It's all right. You were given 7 days by Omona. And it is remaining just 3 days for the 7 days to elapse. We want to reinforce this order from Omona. We are giving you 3 days. Just 3 days. And if you did not swear after the 3 days, what we shall do to you, you will ever live to regret being married in this village.
Ma'am! It is not fair.
When your people do is not fair.
Shut up your mouth.
You're such a beautiful woman.
No,
that's the truth.
Thank you.
You see, this Christmas holidays, you are spending it in Dubai.
Honey.
I told you.
Christmas is still far. This is August.
That's what you say now. But you have to start making the arrangement. Huh? I've already started making arrangements towards that.
Are you serious? Yeah, thank you. Oh, thank you very much.
Listen, I love you so much. I'm ready to take you around the whole world because you mean so much to me. You mean the whole world to me.
Thank you very much.
I'll keep on loving you. After Dubai, I will take you to Europe and America.
Ezioku.
Yeah.
Hi. Thank you.
Thank you.
See, as long as there is life, I will always love you. Let us keep praying for good health and long life. As long as there is life, good things will come.
Of
They will
course.
come.
But you know there must be always long life and health. Or are you planning to live tomorrow?
Only?
I wonder now. There must be life. Honey. Princess.
You're good to go?
Yes, I am.
Thank God. Since you're ready now, why don't you go with Princess? Drop her at her school for me, so that it will be easier for me to get to Junior's hospital.
I'm already late to office. Somebody's waiting for me in the office for an appointment. Honestly.
Oh, no.
No, I know that's how you feel, but it's not what you think. Just that I'm late with my appointment, okay? Please.
It's okay. Yeah, I know you. This is what you say anytime you want to dodge taking her to school.
I know that's how you feel. But okay, let me promise you, from tomorrow in short, I'll be dropping her to school. Yes. All right.
Go well, yeah?
Yes. All right, honey. Princess, go to school, I'll see you when I come back. Open that gate.
Good morning.
They say bye-bye to Junior.
Welcome, madam. Can I help you carry?
No, it's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Hello? Hello? Yes. Huh? Yes, I can hear you. Jesus Christ! How? Where, please, where? Okay, no problem, I'll be right there. I'm coming now. Please open the gate, oh! Open the gate! No.
Stop cleaning.
They're taking it.
Yes. Stop cleaning.
Biko, my husband, though. My husband, where is he?
Calm down, madam. Just calm down. He has been taken to the intensive care unit.
Let me go.
Madam, he's taking care of
Did you see him with your eyes?
Yes, he's
You
fine.
saw him?
Yes, he's fine.
Was he talking?
He was talking. He's going to be fine, madam.
Hey!
Everything is going to be fine, madam.
Hello? Uncle Afam. Good morning. Good morning. Chalo. Please, can you come to Abuja now? Can you come now? I don't know what your brother is doing, no. I don't know what he's doing. I'm in the hospital and I don't know what he's doing. Pick uncle, just come. Come. There is still time. If one overlap for you will get small, boss. Because you will get boss. Okay. Biko, thank you. Thank you very much. You say you saw. Oh, how is he?
Woman, we are yet to ascertain the cause of the sharp pain below his abdomen. We are using the ultrasound machine for the scanning on him now, but we have succeeded in calming him down. He doesn't feel the pains any longer due to some strong analgesic injections we gave him.
Pain, Cheru, what could be the cause of this pain? Because he didn't complain of any pain when he was leaving the house this morning.
That is what we are still trying to find out. He will soon be fine, okay? Don't worry, he will be fine. Excuse me.
I need to see the doctor. I'm here for check-up.
Check-up, okay. Just have a second, I'll call you back.
Okay. Hello? Honestly, Uncle, I don't know. He left here for the office. Then I went to drop Princess at her own school. Hey! Hey, Mwamo, Chineke. Hey!
What is it?
Uncle, Princess is still in school. I've not gone to bring her back. Hey! And I'm very sure she'll be crying her eyes out by now. Big Uncle anyway, oh, let me rush up and bring her home. I know she'll be the only one there. I'm coming.
It's all right. It's all right. Okay.
Thank you very much. Oh? Thank you. God bless you.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Uncle.
Oh, you're back. You're back. Welcome.
Princess, say good afternoon to Uncle.
Good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon, Princess. How are you?
Fine.
How was school today?
Fine.
Uncle, please. We have to go back to the hospital so that we can know the situation of things.
Okay.
I'm so sorry I've not been able to cook anything for you.
Oh, don't worry. I can manage. In fact, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Oh?
Sorry. Hello? Doctor? Huh? It's a guinea. Doctor, I don't like this kind of play. I don't like the usas na modiegua. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie.
What is it?
It's a lie. Can you imagine? Can you imagine this stupid doctor telling me to come and take my husband to the mortuary?
Mortuary?
Can you say anything like that and you put your head into the mortuary?
Mortuary?
I know he's lying.
My brother Cosmas to be taken to the mortuary?
He's lying. He's lying. It's not possible. I know he's lying. Princess, give me that thing. Give me the Bible. He's lying. No, I know he's lying.
My brother Cosmas.
Uncle, let us go. Kaije, Biko. And you go to the mortuary. Okay, go. Let's go. Uncle Biko, Biano. Cosmas, why? Why did you have to die? Why did you die when you know your death will only bring pain and sorrow to me? Cosmos, why? Cosmas atalama fufu. Hey! Your brothers are accusing me. They are accusing me of killing you. And everybody believes them. Cosmas, they are after your property. Why? Cosmas, why did you die when you know your death will bring this kind of battle? Why? How? I can't stay here anymore. I have to leave this village. I have to leave this village. Cosmas, one choice I have to leave. Your children's lives are at stake here. Oh. Cosmas.
shout, oh, don't shout, don't shout. Flash, after killing your husband. Oh, farmer. No. I will not touch you. Don't shout. Oh, farmer. Yeah. Don't touch my mouth. Sorry. You, after killing your husband, you want to run away? Oh, farmer. Women. Come. Do it.
You think you are smarter than all of us. Look, young lady, your end has come.
What evil offense have I committed that you're treating me like a criminal?
Please shut up your mouth. Because you don't know the gravity of offense you've committed.
Where were you running to? Without completing your mourning period, where were you running to?
If you think you can just come into this family, kill our son, our brother, and then try to run away with his wet, you are joking. In fact, you are daydreaming.
How many times do you want me to say?
So, why were you running? Who was pursuing you?
I wasn't running. I was taking my children to Abuja.
To Abuja? Without telling anybody? Then without completing your mourning period?
Now, where are those documents?
Which documents?
Our late brother's property documents.
I don't have any documents.
Gene, you're a liar.
Why are you?
You're a rogue.
Why are you bothering me?
Oh, no.
The youth will take her to the mountain top and give her a thorough beating until she tells us where those documents are.
The truth will come out then.
Anytime you want to say the truth, you let us know.
Yes. Yes. Cosma, the one you have killed or the one that is alive?
Princess.
What is happening? What is happening?
Your food. Okay, it's okay.
What is it?
I will take you to your mommy after eating. Or you wipe your teeth. Welcome.
Thank you.
These children have not eaten anything since morning. They refuse to take anything. Look at the food, look at the water. Not even water.
If they have refused to eat, it means that they are not hungry.
Hey! How can you say something like this about these little children?
Please, do I have my own food? If it's there, let me have it. I don't discuss the issue of bastards.
Hey! Ofoma! How can you call these innocent children bastards? Onjokale!
What?
Onjokale is too bad for you. These kids are not bastards.
They are!
They are not bastards.
They are!
I'm not accepting.
Accepting by force.
Nonsense.
You're under me.
Look at them. Come and take them to their mother. Come and take these kids to their mother because I'm not their mother. Come on, come the family friend can one. Hey, princess, one people. It's okay. I will personally take you to your mommy. Oh.
Somebody's wife. No, I'm somebody's wife. If somebody does this to your sister, will you like it?
My sister is not as evil as you are.
No, I am not evil. I am not evil. I did not keep my husband down. He has a daughter. He has a daughter and a son. The properties belong to them.
You don't want to talk. You don't want to talk. Yeah, give up.
Name, please eat. Put something into your stomach. Biko.
Biko, where are my children?
They are safe.
Where are they?
In my house.
In your house? Hey, thank God, oh. Have they eaten?
Yes, they have eaten. They are fine. But your children cannot stop crying because they want to be with you. Please, for the sake of these innocent children, Biko, give to my husband and his people all that they are asking from you so that I can free you from this. Biko, no.
I should give away my son's inheritance. Who will train my children for me? I should give away my husband's properties, then take my children into the street. I will not do that. I will not do that. I am fighting for my children. I am fighting for their future. So I will not give them the properties or any document.
Naruchi, I know why I'm saying all this. The mere fact that you refuse to accept to the swearing or cutting of your hair, these men, they will stop at nothing until they get that which they are demanding from you. Because I am begging you, give them what they are asking from you so that you can be with your children.
I am fighting for my children's future. If this is what I have to sacrifice to secure their future, no problem.
Please, think about all I've told you. I want you to think about it. You know? Keep this food.
Akilo! Why did you swear?
I will swear. Because I will swear.
Oh, swear.
I will swear. I will swear.
Has she revealed where the documents are?
No.
Huh?
But she has agreed to swear by Echiteka.
Nobody's talking about swearing. We're not talking about swearing. We are talking about where the documents are.
This woman is too adamant, sir.
To what? Because you don't know how to do your job. If you had done your job very well, she would have vomited where the documents are. All the information needed.
Iche, this woman is very stubborn. We've been beating her since morning.
Is that so? Is that so? All right. Here is a cup of pepper. Very big quantity. But we call this one Jabrata pepper. Jabrata. Rub this pepper into her private part. Deep down! Lawyer? Oh.
The lawyer is with it.
The lawyer that came to sleep with you?
Yes.
To commit abandon with you? Hey! What a piece of information. Huh? Thank you very much. All right. Thank you.
Stop crying. I'll just come take you to your mother. I will take you to your mother and you go. It's okay.
Who is disturbing the peace of this house?
These children have been crying since morning. They have been asking after their mother in shop. Let's take them to their mother now.
Listen, two of you. If I hear any pimp again, I use this cane to tear the two of you into pieces. Pieces! Huh? Let me help him again. Oh, you think I'm joking? I'll go and bring razor blade and cut your lips. Va. Don't mess up in my house. Huh? Let me help him again.
Hey! Oh, I'm in trouble. I'm in big trouble. Oh, my Don't cry. Stop crying. Just lay your eyes.
You mean that same boyfriend you caught her with?
The same boyfriend, yes. The same boy.
This woman is a dirty crook.
She can do anything to be desperate. Yes. You know. So, why am I asking? What do we do to get these documents?
The question is, are you sure she told you the truth?
I am sure. I am sure. When I came with the question, she thought I was joking. But when I was about to do something I was about to do, she got frightened and then opened up. She opened up.
I think we should
Akwa makwa. N'enu akwa akwara akwa. Dị n'enu akwa.
You.
Won't you offer me a seat?
Sit down. And what brought you to my office?
A very strict and delicate family decision.
What do I have to do with your family decision?
Good. Your late client, my brother, had a lot of properties. And we have been told that you are in possession of documents relating to these properties. So the family Shad reached a compromise, then sent me to come and get those documents from you.
What documents are you talking about?
Your late client, my brother, was established in a family business. There was a big partnership. So every property in that business was controlled by the entire family. None belonged alone to your client. None.
I see. Well, I know my client did not write his will before he died. But in his business and properties, he planned for his children, his son, the daughter, and the unborn ones. As his lawyer, he never mentioned to me that he had any joint business and partnership with his family. So I believe whatever you're saying here is a high level of conspiracy to default my client, immediate family, their right. And let me tell you, I will never be a party to that.
See, let me ask you. If the family did not sit down, decided, and sent me, how did I know that you have some documents in your possession about the properties? How?
How do you want me to believe that you had a compromise with my client's wife when her number has been switched off for the past 2 days now? And you walked into my office all alone. If there is any change and any decision, I believe she's in the right position to update me and not you.
Are you doubting me?
How on earth will I believe you after all you did to me in your village? Your evil intention towards that young lady was displayed right there in your village. Are you sure you really know what you're doing?
You are doubting me. It's very clear you're doubting me.
Yes!
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, no. No. not responding to my greetings.
What will it take you to understand that I'm not in a position to answer your question?
Oh, it's a word. I was just going to the market when I saw you enter. And I greeted you. You did not respond. So I was worried. That's why I followed you. But the same. Let me continue with where I'm going. Oh?
I have gone a long way to fight for what belongs to me. I cannot stop now. Never. Never.
Papa? Papa? Eh? What are you saying? What are you saying concerning my proposal?
Oh, former, I have said it all. Those shops in Ariaria market belongs to a younger one. If he finishes secondary school and he intends going to the university or joining a trade, that is the only place he will fall back to.
Papa, let me ask a question. Am I not your first son? Huh? Papa, am I not your first son? Why will you reserve the only property in this family to my younger brother? Huh? I'm asking you now.
Oh, former, I gave you money immediately you finished learning your trade. But the money did not last up to a year. I gave you another money, and yet another, until I became financially exhausted. And the jackpot fue abulo galanya.
Papa, all these things you are speaking now is grammar. It's just grammar. I need money. I need money to start another trade. Oh. Papa, I need the money. Oh. I need the money. Oh.
Ofoma, if I were you, I would rather retire to the village and help myself in farming. Trading is not your destiny. Even if I sell the whole of my property and give all the money to you, you will still unleash the money and come back for another money. I have tried for you, Ofoma. You have a brother. It is not only you.
Hey! Huh? Papa? Papa? Papa, I am going to scatter this house if you don't give me money. And when I'm done, Papa, you will see it. Hey! Okay.
My son, Papa, please, I would like you to be diligent. Face your studies very well. Work hard, because there's no food for a lazy man. It pains my heart that my first son, your elder brother, disappointed me. I would not like you to be like your senior brother. I invested almost all my resources on him, and he never made judicious use of it for anything reasonable. I keep on giving him money. I gave him first, second, third, fourth, and so on, without getting anything good from it. Remember that opportunity comes but once. If Abunachon walking Afrozi, those shops are reserved are for you. Whenever you finish your secondary school and you wish like going to the university or going into a trade, you will now fall back to those shops, either by selling some of them or selling all. Then use the proceeds for whatever you want to. I have a friend in Aba who has the papers, and he will help you out with the paper. So my son, Cosmos, opportunity comes but once, and if it slips away from your fingertip, you will hardly get it back again. It shall be well with you. Please.
Papa, I've heard you. I promise to use whatever help you render to me wisely.
Thank you, my son Cosmos.
No problem, Papa.
May the Lord be with you. Whatever you place your hand on will be progressive.
Papa, don't worry, okay? Don't worry, I will surely clean your eyes. Okay?
And please, even though
help me and talk to Papa. At least to sell one of his shops and give him the money. I want to start a new trade. And you know you're the only one in his heart. And you're the only one that can talk to him. Please, I want you to help me.
Well, brother, I'm not sure Papa will listen to me. Besides, how are you sure if that money is given to you, that you wouldn't waste it like you wasted others?
Huh? It's again. Do you realize you're talking to elder brother? What is that supposed to mean? Huh?
Well, bro, I'm sorry if I sounded negative. But I'm sure Papa will never change his mind. I know Papa.
Hey! Aqua makwa. Nena kwa kwa aqua. Nena aqua. Huh?
Ofoma, you should be thankful to God that your brother here, Cosmos, is doing well in his business. He has taken up your responsibility as a first son. He has taken care of virtually everything about your father's burial.
Sorry, please. What are you insinuating?
Don't you know that as a first son, it is your responsibility to bury your father?
I disagree. It is his responsibility to bury Papa because the only landed property Papa had, he gave to him. Let him go and bury Papa. Bro, what are you saying? Huh? Why are you sounding like this? 5 times Papa gave you money for trade and you wasted it. I am doing what I'm doing simply because I want to do it, not because of what you're saying. It's a lie. Let me tell you, the basis of your so-called success in business was because of my inheritance given to you by Papa. Yeah. It was my inheritance that you took and that you're shining today. Huh? Complete lie. Whatever I have achieved today, whatever I owe today is my sweat, my struggle, not what you're saying. Why are you saying this? Papa gave you my inheritance and you have mouth to talk. Okay, tell me, where in Igbo land does inheritance go to a second son, not the first son? Where does it happen? Tell us. Listen, Papa gave you much more than you wanted. He gave you more than enough, but you wasted it. I made great achievement out of what he gave to me. In fact, the money he gave to you, what he gave to you was meant for him, but he wasted it on you and gave me leftovers. Yes, and you know it. You are lying.
It's okay.
No, it's a lie.
It's okay.
That's pure lie.
It's okay.
It's okay, Afam. Take it easy.
We are here to make arrangement for the burial of your father and not to quarrel over. That's all. That's all.
I've made my point. I have made my point.
We've had.
Wise one, you've always told me to run to this place each time I have a pressing problem.
Yes, I did.
God. My brother, younger brother, is holding my inheritance wrongfully given to him by my father. And this inheritance gave rise to properties like his cars, his houses, detached all over the country, then parcels of land. So I want to get all these back.
Is that all?
Is in addition to all that, I want him to die. I want him to die. And I want you to manipulate his death in a way that the entire community suspects his wife has been responsible for his death.
The great Zamunda! The great Zamunda! Your son is here to seek solution. Because a man who lives on the bank of a river does not use spittle to wash his hands. Anytime you want him dead, just call his name over and over on the spot, and he shall die instantly.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you, wise one.
When he is buried, tell whosoever that cares that his wife is responsible for his death. All you need to do is to rub the substance on your tongue, and they shall believe everything you said.
Okay. Do I put it inside me?
Yes.
Then, wise one, let me ask a question. Supposing the entire community decides to go to the shrine for oath taking, how do I get a camouflage? How do I escape from this oath taking process?
That substance that I gave you will work for you. All you need to do is to rub it on your tongue on the morning of the swearing, and you shall go scot-free. Nothing will happen to you. And even if you want his wife to fall a victim of the oath, on the morning of the swearing, rub this substance on any part of her body. She will die or go mad instantly. As the case may be, while you go scot-free.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you.
Remember to pay your due.
Definitely. Definitely. If the right hand washes the left hand equally washes the right hand. Thank you, wise man. Thank you. Cosmos. Ibelu na-ete mgbakọ Chukwu mma. Mana ọhụ ị na-ete bụ mgbakọ Chukwu njọ. Cosmos. Cosmos. Cosmos.
Yes. Who? Okay. Tell him to wait just for 5 minutes. I'm a bit very busy. I'll see you. Okay? Alright.
My chest. Hey!
Boss! Are you okay?
I'm there.
What's going on?
My chest. Hey, my head.
Sorry.
Come on, come on. Come on. Use my phone.
Hello? Hello? Yes. Huh? Yes, I can hear you. Jesus Christ. How? Where? Please, where? Okay, no problem. I'll be right there. I'm coming now. Please open the gate, oh!
Do you know the stupid lawyer said that we connived, we conspired to deprive Raluchi and her children, my brother's properties?
How? Or he and Raluchi conspired to deprive us of our brother's property.
It is they who planned to kill him to take over all the property.
It can never work.
Never.
As long as Raluchi and her children are still here with us, it will not work. It will not work.
By the time I finish with that so-called lawyer, he will be reduced to null and void, of no effect, and I'll be an issue.
Stupid charger, baby.
I'll be an issue.
Now, call that your boyfriend on your phone and tell him to release those documents to us
without delay.
He is not my boyfriend. He is my lawyer. And he will never agree to release the documents unless he sees me and the children. How many times do you want me to say it?
That means you don't want to see your children.
Please, just let me go to Abuja. Let me go to Abuja with my children. I promise you, I will personally bring the documents to you. Pico, no.
Are we children you're talking to?
Now, how are we sure that if we let you go to Abuja, you will keep to your own side of the bargain?
I promise you. I promise you with my life. I swear, I will bring the documents. My life and that of my children is more important to me than any document or any property in this world. Please, just let me go. Manachitazo, I will come. Even if I don't come back, Ofoma knows where I stay.
No! Don't call me. I don't trust you at all.
Let us free her.
Free what? Onyeka! This woman here. Eh? Eh? She is slippery, cunning, sneaky. In fact, a snake. A snake!
You see, letting her go back to Abuja is the only way we can lay hands on those documents.
Honestly, I don't agree. I don't agree. No! This is slippery, sneaky, very cunning. Eh? I don't agree.
Listen, what do you want this time?
Wise one. But I want to release her and her children. But very importantly, I want all the documents pertaining to all the properties left behind by my late brother. She will go to her lawyer in Abuja and bring these documents. I want you to subject her to hypnosis as she goes for the documents. And to be in the same hypnosis as she comes back to hand over everything to me. It's only after then that she can regain her consciousness.
The great Zamunda! The great Zamunda! Your son is here to seek for solution again. Because the protection of the young chicks lies under the wings of the mother hen. Take this substance, rub it on her before she leaves, and she shall remain under your strong influence. She shall continue to remain under the strong influence until she hands over all the document that rightfully belongs to you.
Thank you. Aqua makwa. Dino aqua aqua. Thank you, wise one. I'll be on my way as usual.
Always remember to pay your dues.
The right hand must always wash the left hand, for the left hand to always wash the right hand.
I trust you.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you, wise one.
The great Zamunda. The great Zamunda.
How are you? How are you? Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Now, tomorrow we will go to Abuja. You are allowed to go to Abuja. But make sure you fulfill your part of the promise. Is that clear? Don't play with that promise.
Bye. Bye, yo.
Oh, Nalichi. Welcome. How are you, baby?
Fine.
Is your husband around? I want to tell him that I want to start going to Abuja now.
Oh, he went out. But he said that I should give you the key to the jeep instead of going with the public transport. So let me go and bring it. Oh no. Hey. Thank you. That is it.
Thank you.
Arushi, I am sorry. I am truly very sorry for all that my husband made you go through. Izuku, I don't understand that man. Truly. I'm sorry, Onne. Pico.
Thank you.
Let's
How could you fall so cheap for them? Those properties belong to your late husband and in turn became the inheritance of your children, your son and your daughter. If you give them away, what will you train those children with? Oh, you think after giving them the documents, they will still allow you live inside that house? No! They will simply throw you and your children into the street.
You think I don't know all that? I know. But honestly, as it is now, I don't have a choice.
You have a choice, my dear. You have a choice. Now that you have the documents, you have the power. But the moment you give them away, you don't have no choice. So that is why I insist, don't give them out yet.
Please. Just give me the documents. Give me the documents, let me give them. See, if I don't give them these documents, I will not have peace of mind. I will not rest. Let me give them.
Are you sure you're not under some kind of spell?
Spell what?
Yes!
No, I'm okay.
Okay, I have heard you. But I insist, you go home and sleep over this. Maybe by morning, you will be better. Then we can talk about this.
My water.
Una wokenia. Ike chel no jewe shikoba. Eshiwe hukogri. Raluchi ikogri. Raluchi ikogri. Raluchi ikogri. Ikogri. Raluchi. You must bring all the documents containing details of all the properties left behind by my brother. If you fail to do that, I'm going to set your entire body on fire, on fire, on fire, on fire. Raluchi ikogri. Raluchi ikogri.
Hello? Hey, Biko, I want to come and collect those documents. I'll be there first thing in the morning. Biko, what's the far? Is it not my own? I want to collect it now. First thing in the morning, I'll be there to collect it. Okay. One more. Give me those documents. Give me my documents now, oh. You're looking for my trouble. Give me my documents. They are my own. How is it your business what I decide to do with them? They are mine. Bia, it's like you have forgotten that I am the one paying you. I'm the one paying you. So how dare you? How dare you question my authority over something that rightfully belongs to me? Give me the documents now, oh. You will see the other side of me. Give me the documents now.
I know that the spell is much on you right now, but I pray the scabs will fall off your eyes very soon.
You are the one under a spell, and they will soon fall off your eyes. You are the one under a spell, my friend. Give it to me, easy. Maybe they have charmed you to steal my documents. This one is.
The size is funny. As small as some porompo.
I have to remove this thing.
The taste is everything. Whether big or small.
If you use it good. I don't think I have my phone.
Baluchi?
And she's coming back with all her kids. So.
With her children?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh yeah, come. Come. Good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon.
Welcome. Hey.
My niece.
Welcome.
Welcome.
I brought everything, including the papers for the jeep.
Okay. All right. They are all complete. They're complete. Where are the keys to the jeeps? Okay. Welcome. That's good. Let me.
How was it?
What am I doing here?
What is it?
You can't see Lueba, Biko. How did I get here? The last time I remembered, I was inside the house. I was tied up. You can't see Lueba.
I don't know, but you went to Abuja with this jeep now to bring the property document the Umona asked you to bring from the lawyer, and you're just coming back.
Yes, again. I went to Abuja.
You're just coming back with this vehicle and your kids
to bring documents.
Hey,
because did I bring any documents?
I was looking at you. I was looking at you and I was looking at my husband. You gave him your car key. I was looking at you. You gave him the file with your documents.
Hey! What did I do to myself for? Because where is he?
He's inside the room.
Also, my name is Okukomo.
Agalala. Aluchi Burudia. Agalala.
Kill her today. She must go. She must go.
This is the boundary between the land of the living and the dead. That road there leads to the forest of death. No one have gone there and come back alive from the time immemorial.
See, that is where you and your evil children will live from now henceforth. Any day we set our eyes on you on this village land, my God, that day you will regret ever existing on this earth. Oh yeah, move it. Move. Carry your bag. Carry your bag. You and your mom move. Go and die. Go and die. Go. Nobody's coming. Cross over. See this one. See, you are crying. This small one is even sharing clothes to back. What? Move.
Kasumase, Kasumase, Imagine.
Kasumase, kasumase, dimo mazanuma, obore ki furunanya no wana borgyo. Kasumase, kasumase, apachene munketie, atogo pamuno wa onyege puchitere monumo. Kasumase, kasumase, inonebe, chupu kerowa, enafi eneme. Kasumase, kasumase, imachire munketie, atogo pamunuwa, onyege kuchitere monumo. Kasumase, kasumase, dimo mazanuma, obore ki furunanya no anapagyo. Kasumase, kasumase, amachene munketie, atogo pamunuwa, onyege kuchitere monumo. Onyege kunku wagekwe, ndiru mekpebiela, manaka mudenocha, puchitere monumo. Kasumase, kasumase, inonebe, chupu kerowa, enafi eneme. Kasumase dimoma, obuki sirapuma, atogo pamunuwa, onyege kuchitere monumo. Kasumase, kasumase, inonebe, chupu kerowa, enafi eneme.
Oga, please, I beg you. I beg you in the name of God, just help us. We live in Abuja, but we came to Ukwagu village for my husband's burial. All I am asking for is just transport fare. Ogugo, transport fare so that I can go back to Abuja. Let me take my children back to Abuja, Bikono.
I don't understand you. You mean you came for your husband's burial at Ukwagu village?
Yes.
Then why didn't your husband's kinsmen give you money? What are you doing here in Urunebo village?
Okay, Manwata. It's a long story. Please just help us, I beg you. Oh?
I don't have any money to waste on a dupe like you.
Hey!
Excuse me.
Look at these children, they know how to need.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma. Baby, how are you? I need a recharge card. 750.
I have for 400 around.
For 400? Give me 2.
Please, I'm begging you, help me in the name of God. We live in Abuja. We just came back for my husband's burial. We don't have any transport fare to go back. I am begging you, just help me with transport fare. Any amount is okay. If you help me, my God will bless you. Because if not for anything, for these my children, Atagafu for Ezioku.
Oh, sorry, ma. I have no money on me. But let's see what God can do. Young man, let me have my change.
How much is your money?
10,000 naira.
10,000 naira. This one.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Shall I have an away? Thank you, sir. Thank you.
N'enu akwa akwara akwa dị n'enu akwa so everything here now belongs to me. So I am now the owner of everything I am seeing. Akwa no ma akwa n'enu akwa akwara akwa dị n'enu akwa. Come. Okay. Akwa ma akwa n'enu akwa akwara akwa dị n'enu akwa. Akwa ma akwa n'enu akwa akwara akwa dị n'enu akwa. Akwa no ma akwa n'enu akwa akwara akwa dị n'enu akwa. I have taken over what rightly belongs to me. He who laughs last laughs best.
One day the wicked will have their reward. One day victory shall come from the Lord. The cry of the righteous shall cease, and the wicked will have no peace. One day the wicked will have their reward. One day victory shall come from the Lord. The cry of the righteous shall cease, and the wicked will have no peace. One day the wicked
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. My God will bless you. No bad thing will come your way ever in this life. For helping a poor widow, God will bless you. Oh? It's okay, we are home. Oh? We are home. It doesn't matter. Don't cry. Thank you. Thank you.
Shall cease, and the wicked will have no peace. One day the wicked will have their reward. One day victory shall come from the Lord. The cry of the righteous shall cease, and the wicked will have no peace. One day the wicked will have.
Who is here?
Who is that?
It's me, Raluchi. Come and open these gates.
What are you doing there?
Chineke, I should be asking you that question. What are you doing in my husband's house? Come and open this gate.
Listen, Go back to where you're coming from because I won't open that gate. Did you hear me?
Chineke Bogoku! Ofoma Chineke Bogoku! Come on, open this gate!
Oh, you're still there? Aqua. Denu aqua.
Ofoma Kwabu waking aqua! Come on, open this gate, though!
You will sleep there. You're going to sleep there. Aqua. Denu aqua.
I will curse you! Come on, open this gate! Open it. What kind of thing is this? Open this gate! Hey!
The wicked will have their reward one day. Victory shall come from the Lord. The cry of the righteous shall cease, and the wicked will have no peace. One day, the wicked will have their reward. One day, victory shall come from the Lord. The cry of the righteous. One day, the wicked will have their reward. One day, victory shall come from the Lord. The cry of the righteous shall cease, and the wicked will have no peace. One day, the wicked will have their reward. One day, victory shall come from the Lord. The cry of the righteous shall cease, and the wicked will have no peace. One day, the wicked will have their reward. One day, victory shall come from the Lord. The cry of the righteous shall cease, and the wicked will.
What are you seeing?
Just give me 1 minute. Let me be sure of what I'm doing.
Okay.
These documents, they are not complete.
Not complete how? What do you mean by that?
As it stands now, you can't sell any of those properties.
Why?
In fact, you don't even have full legal rights over them.
My late brother's lawyer gave me the assurance that everything here was okay.
Then the lawyer must be deceiving you. These documents do not have C of O.
C of O? What does that mean?
Certificate of occupancy. Without it, these documents, they make no sense.
Hey! Aqua. Denu aqua. Denu aqua. I will do that. Thank you very much. I will do that. Aqua. Denu aqua. Denu aqua. I suspected I was dealing with a smart man. This lawyer has spoiled my show. What will I do now? How do I get reality again? Aqua. Nenu aqua. Dinenu aqua. Aqua. Nenu aqua. Dinenu aqua.
The lion of our time.
No. I love you. Both of them. This rider. Bye-bye. Let's do it again. Which is never too much.
Yes. Yes, I checked on you yesterday and I was told that you left for Abuja as very early in the morning.
Okay. Whoever told you that told you the correct thing. Yes. I went to Abuja to drop one of the jeeps.
Yeah.
I'll see go tomorrow to drop yet another jeep.
Okay. Have you decided to live in your brother's house in Abuja?
What else do you expect one to do? Since God has saved us from the hands of that evil woman.
Okay.
After all, Abuja is more pleasurable.
Just look at you. You know how people say, he who follows tiger eats meat. And he who follows goat, you know what they eat.
Okay. Let's, in this context,
yes,
say you are the goat, I am the tiger.
No. No, I will eat the meat of the tiger. No, please.
But just be careful, you don't end up in the mouth of the tiger. Let's go and drink.
Please.
Let's go and drink. I warned her I will deal with that.
Yes.
I will not and can never share this roof with another woman. If you know the gutters, where you picked them from, I advise you take them back there where they belong.
Why are you talking like this? I did not pick them from the gutters or the street like you're saying. That woman is my client family. They are not staying forever with us. They will not. They will only stay for a while. And I will sort their accommodation problem and they will leave. We'll stay back the way we used to be.
Well, Mr. Problem Solver, how am I even sure that you're not having an affair with that woman? How?
Stop it!
Well, I don't care. All I'm saying is she will not spend the night in this house. If you want to do business, take it to the office. Don't bring your business back home. No, you can't bring it home. This is a home.
What? Will I say I don't know the woman I married? Why are you sounding so heartless? This is your fellow woman that we're talking about.
Well, baby, I am sorry you don't know.
This is your fellow woman.
Hey, you, come here. I am only allowing you people to stay in this house for tonight because it is already late. First thing in the morning, I don't want to see you and those hungry looking children in my house. Did you hear me? First thing in the morning. Excuse me.
Why is all these things happening? Why? Why are all these things happening to me? Why? Cosmas. Cosmas, why? Why did you bring me out of my father's house and leave me on the way to suffer like this? Cosmas, why? Cosmas, are you blind? Are you blind? Can't you see what I'm going through? Can't you see the pain and the suffering I am going through? Can't you see the pain of your children? Can't you hear the cries of your children and the cry of your wife? What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Cosmas, what are you doing there? Hey! Cosmas! Can't you see what we're going through because of your death? Would you do something, Cosmas? Your children are suffering and you're just looking and not doing anything. Cosmas, this is not fair. Cosmas, it is not fair. Gosmas is the one Brugi.
Ya bụ ihe ụmụaga gande gari afụta nkwago ọ garigwo ọ gawụgo ọ garigwo ọ gabụgo Waluchi, wherever you are now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Cosmos, you are dead. You are dead. Cosmos, you are dead. No, you are dead. Huh? What is it? Change. What is it? He's gone. Who? Cosmos, are you alright? You're just malady. That's what we will say now. Better you take drugs instead of jumping about in the house. Do we have drugs? Whatever. I will stay with you until the morning and get a glass of water. Bring drugs. Let me take it. It's malaria. I will stay with you for some time to make sure you don't stand up again.
Thank God you know it is morning already. You should start living with your kids. Live with your kids.
No problem. We will do that. But please, can we at least use your bathroom? Please.
Okay, do whatever you have to do, okay? But make sure you leave here in the next 1 hour. 1 hour, that is all you have.
Excuse me.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We thank God.
I'll be taking you people to a hotel. You people will remain there until I get a court injunction to evict Ufoma out of your house.
Hotel, Lukwa. Who will foot the bill? You know what is on ground. I can't afford it all. And then talking about properties. He already has the documents. Is it possible for us to go and collect the properties back from him?
Yes, it's possible. Now that I know that you are in your right senses, I will tell you the truth.
The documents you gave to your late husband's brother, they are all incomplete.
Huh?
Everything is intact. You lost nothing. So you have to pack. I will go in when I come out. We'll go to the hotel. I'm coming right now. I'm coming.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ew. Thank you.
Where is Ofoma? Is he not aware that we have this meeting today to talk about Anyanwu's matter? But where is he?
Ofoma told me that he shall be going to Abuja today, that he will not be able to come.
In fact, I'm highly disappointed, Ofoma, because I later informed him about this very meeting. And that he called me that he put off his traveling to attend today's meeting. I wonder why he has not been here up to this time.
Only not bless you.
My body! Hey! What the camera? Stop helping me! It's flogging me! Up your boom! Stop flogging me! What have I done? Listen. Let me confess.
Confess.
Reality is innocent.
Hey!
Reality is innocent.
Hey!
I killed my brother Cosmos. I killed him to take over all the properties. Up your bomo. Stop flogging me. Up your camera.
So former, you have been deceiving us. That's of this land, of former. Oja came. Hey! Abomination. Savage. Hey!
I told you.
Hey! Former. Oja came. Hey!
How do you own that? Supporting him.
Supporting who? You mean that
the evil that men do lives after and before them. Look at it. Look at the end.
So Oja came.
Great Samunda! The Great Samunda! The Great Samunda! The Great Samunda! No! Go back to him! This is not made for me! Go back to him!
Mom, I don't want to live in school hostel anymore. I want to move to a self-con. I'm a big girl now. 300 level.
Easy.
Yeah, Mom. If she goes to a self-contained, then I will have to stay with her. We both will live together.
Exactly. Come to think of it, Mom, it's almost same thing. His accommodation fee put together with mine can get us a very comfortable apartment. What do you think?
If only you knew what I went through. What I went through to give you a life and a future.
That is why you are the best mom in the whole world. Very unique.
Yes, not just unique. The best mom in the world.
Yeah.
Mama.
One day